Hi, this is a demonstration of the workflow management system developed by Deloitte for one of the customers. There are two kinds of users primarily in the system. One is the legal head and the other is the legal counsel, the external counsel or the legal advisors. So what we will do, we will straight away log in as a legal head and create a new matter. So the username that we have created here for the purpose of the demo is DLegal693. So once the screen opens, the legal head gets to see the matters dashboard where they see the total number of cases, the new cases, the pending cases, the reopened cases, or the reassigned cases, the closed cases, the resolved cases, and the assigned cases. And you have the category wise cases below, which will start appearing once we create matters. So first, straight away go into the matters, create a new matter. Now, based on the person who's already the legal head's name, it's pre-populated here. You can see Ashwin Kurian. So we select the matter details, assuming it's intellectual property. You can see on the left hand side the knowledge base automatically changes to show appropriate intellectual property subcategories. You select the specific issue and you can type the description of your complaint. You can select the location where the counsel is required. Let's say it's Mumbai. You can give an address. If you want, this case is basically if you want to forward it to any specific person, manually assign it to somebody. But the way the system works right now, for the purpose of the demo, is that based on the category, we have linked each category to a specific legal counsel. So based on the category, it automatically gets assigned to a specific legal counsel. Then you have a stage. This is a query, so you can specify this is the query stage. Entity is like business units wherever they are located. Let's say B1. You can put in a remark which says query about trademark, and go ahead and create this matter. So once the matter is created, you can see it's about intellectual property and trademark. The matter number comes up, the name of the user, category, subcategory, says when it has been created on, who it's been assigned to. This is the counsel, legal counsel related to IP. If you go back to the dashboard now, you will see that instead of nothing, you will see some cases have come, one case has come, and category wise cases as shown, because there's only one case that's being defined so far. It shows intellectual property 1. Now you can also go back to this particular matter and see the details of whatever is already. And you can see that a mail has automatically gone out with the ticket number. And there's the journal history where it says whatever you've typed has come here. You can add documents here. Now the documents that are added here, you can specify what kind of document type it is. Let's say it's a petition, say it's a query, and you upload a document. So the thing about this is you can search for the document by the document type, by the stage. So you can see here I've selected the document, uploaded the document, and it appears at the bottom. It says query, uploaded by legal head. It shows the document. If I go to the document tracking section here, I would see the same document here, and it can be selected by the type of document. For example, I want to see all the petitions. I'll be able to search and I'll find this because I've searched for petition type. So this is, and so on and so forth. So the document can be searched by document type, it can be searched by the stage, it can be searched by the document name, and so on and so forth. So you can download and see it as well. So this is as far as the legal head goes, right? So now we log out and log in as the legal counsel, which is DL counsel IP. So just log in as IP. You will find that this particular legal counsel has been assigned this case that we just created, the matter that we've just created. So the legal counsel can go in and act on this. It can work on this. Let's say from query he's moved it to let's say evidence. The stage is changed to evidence. Can add some remarks to this, saying evidence is required. And can update it. Here you can also see, if required, you can link. Suppose this matter is linked to a previous case, you can type the case ID or the matter ID here, and it automatically gets linked, and it appears in this box around here where it says it's linked to this matter. Once you update this case, this matter, you can see it's been updated. It comes out in the journal as stage evidence required. And if required, you can add a document here, and it will be added to the new stage, which is evidence. So let us say we like to put it as statement of objections, say evidence, and you choose a file and it's uploaded. Open it and upload it. You can see it's getting uploaded here. So once uploaded, it automatically says document uploaded and it closes. And down in your document says you have two documents right now. One uploaded by the counsel, one done by the legal head. And you have a journal which shows you the normal thing. So you can log out, or let's say the counsel keeps acting on this, working on this case till or this matter till finally he goes and closes it. He says like judgment has come. He says judgment in favor, and change the case from pending to closed. Here also, for example, you could reassign it by marking it to somebody else. Instead of saying closed, you can just say reopened and mark it to somebody else if this legal counsel feels that it is not his matter or her matter. So it can be done. This is where reassignment is happening. But here, for the purpose of the demo, we're just saying judgment, it's been closed, and you update. Once you update, the case is closed. You see the status is closed. There's journal history, and a mail is shot out to the legal head saying it's been closed. You can log out now and log in as the legal head again, and you will see that now the case that the matter that we've just talked about, you can see its total cases 1, closed 1. This is the case that we've seen. On clicking this, you will see the case that we just talked about. You click on the matter number, and you will see all the details related to the matter, including the judgment and the documents. It's also possible, of course, to go, like I said before, go back to the document tracking and search by the stage. So let's say the stage here is judgment. Type judgment and you search, you'll see both the cases because the stage is right now judgment. You want document type, you want document type petition. You type petition and you see the document which is related to petition. And you also have this feature here of calendaring where you could go and let's say there's a hearing schedule. You could say hearing, or you can say schedule, and you say type of calendar, what you want is a hearing, and you can say when it is being scheduled for, give a date and time, and say who it's going to be assigned to, and schedule it. Once you schedule it, once you log in as the counsel for that particular thing, you can see here on the left hand side it's already come. An email is also shot out to this particular person, legal counsel, saying there's a hearing. So if I log out and log in as the counsel, I should be able to, or I can see the emails for this particular counsel. I'll be able to see the email of this hearing in the place where it should be seen. So this is broadly what the system's got to do. It can enable a workflow where a legal head can create matters related to specific categories. It automatically gets assigned. The counsels can work on it, and if it's not related to them, they can reassign it to somebody else. They can keep working on it, change the stages. You've got a document tracking stage where section where you can search by stage, you can search by document type and name. You've got calendaring place where you can schedule meetings, conferences, hearings, and emails are shot out to the respective people. And you've got extensive reporting where you can search by stage, by category, by status, by entity, by subcategory, by counsel, and you can view it. On top of that, you've got the dashboard where you've got, at present, you've got a bird's eye view of the number of matters and the category wise matters for the cases. So that's basically the demo from us.